Don't you think we should talk about Doncha? Hey everyone, Doncha is a reduction or contraction of the two words don't and you. And when we're speaking quickly and we say these two words together, it sounds like don'tcha. Here are some examples of don'tcha in a sentence. Don't you think we should do something fun this weekend? Or why don't you come over for dinner? And one of my favorites, chocolate is really the best snack, don't you think? So there you have it. That is don'tcha. Now that you know about it, listen for it, and I bet you'll hear it a lot. Do you have other questions, things that you've heard in English that you don't understand? Let us know. Tell us in the comments. We would love to answer your questions and maybe make a TikTok about one of them.